guys, hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Good evening. I am checking in. I wanted to let you guys know when I was supposed to go skating last Sunday, I wasn't able to make it because it started to rain in Mobay, and the skate rink, the skating area is open air, so it is outside, so it's wet, so I couldn't go. But I'm getting ready to head to this intimate um, concert with Buja Banton, Barris Hammond, a couple of other great reggae artists here in Jamaica. So I may, if possible, go live there at the concert to show you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and say happy Saturday to you guys, and I will check in a little bit later with you guys. When I get to the concert. So soon come here. Take care.